Getting and keeping your home organized is a very hot topic right now, especially with the new year approaching. So today we're talking more organization hacks to help you reach your home organization goals. Welcome back everyone, Mrs. H here, and yes, I've got more organization hacks for you. But this time we're going to explore unused space throughout your home that you can actually use. Utilizing this space is as simple as 1, 2, 3. That's right, I'm going to give you 3 tips or hacks on using the unused space in your home, and if you're here for it, there may even be a bonus for you at the end. But before we get started, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, if everyone is all plugged in, let's get started. Hack number 1, there's cabinet space inside and outside of your cabinets. Using the sides or bottoms of your cabinets for storage is a great way to save space inside the cabinets and can even help keep your countertops clutter-free. For example, you could hang $1 or $2 store racks on the sides of your cabinets to store soaps and towels. Hack number 2, dollar store tension rods for unused space. Now we've talked about this one before. Adding a tension rod inside a cabinet to hang cleaning products is a helpful organization hack. But there is also space in a pots and pans drawer to fashion this same tension rod to organize lids for easy access. Hack number 3, don't throw out that old broken down dresser just yet. Add discount box store casters to the bottom of 1 or 2 dresser drawers and use the drawers as storage for extra bed sheets and blankets. Then roll them away nicely and neatly under your bed. Now for your bonus hack. Ever thought about going in your walls? Inset cabinets aren't just for bathroom medicine cabinets anymore. How about adding a decorative print that goes along with your home's decor to a medicine cabinet and using it to store items in perhaps your hallway or even your bedroom? You could also add a safe behind these prints and no one would be the wiser. While construction on this hack can get a little involved, there are a great deal of DIY videos on YouTube that could walk you through the process. How about you? Do you have any more unused space ideas? Let's talk about them. Please leave them in the comments below. Now that you're aware, please share. And for more like this coming down the pike, all we ask is that you please like. Above all, be kind. We'll see you in the next video.